The speed of light. Have you ever wondered what a light year really is? Most of us know it's a way to measure distance in space, and that's true. But it's also a measure of time. A light year is the exact distance light travels in one full Earth year. So, when we say a star is 10 light years away, we are also saying that the light we are seeing from it right now left that star 10 years ago. It's like looking into the past, as if space were a giant time machine. Number 2. The light from our own sun is not instant. It takes a little over 8 minutes for light to travel all the way to Earth. This means that if the sun were to suddenly disappear right now, we wouldn't even know it for more than 8 minutes. This same idea applies to every star you see in the night sky. The light you see from them has been traveling for years, decades, or even hundreds of years to reach your eyes. When you look at the stars, you are actually looking into the past. Some of the light you see from distant stars began its journey long before you were born. Number 3. The scale of our solar system. When we think about the size of space, it's truly hard to imagine. The distances are so huge they don't make sense to us. To get an idea, let's use a simple comparison. If our sun were the size of a beach ball, a regular beach ball, then Earth would be a tiny pea about 26 meters away. On this same scale, the next closest planet, Mars, would be about 40 meters away. The furthest planet, Neptune, would be over 760 meters away, which is more than 7 football fields. And the next closest star, called Proxima Centauri, would be about 4,000 kilometers away. That's a huge distance, showing just how empty and vast space really is. Number 4. A planet made of diamonds. In space, some planets are so strange they seem like something out of a dream. Did you know there's a planet that might be mostly made of diamonds? It's called 55 Cancri e, and it's a super-Earth located about 40 light years away. Scientists believe that because of its very high pressure and temperatures, this planet is likely covered in a layer of graphite and a thick crust of diamond. This means the planet is worth more than all the money on Earth combined. It's an incredible thought that such a valuable world could exist out there. Number 5. Imagine a planet where it rains glass. Not only that, but it rains sideways. This is what scientists believe happens on a planet called HD 189733b. From far away, this planet looks like a peaceful blue marble, but it's a cosmic nightmare. It has a super hot atmosphere with temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius and powerful winds that blow at incredible speeds. The atmosphere is full of tiny glass particles that condense into rain. But because of the extreme winds, the glass rain doesn't fall down. It blows sideways, creating a constant, dangerous storm of molten glass. Number 6. The coldest place in the universe. While space is already very cold, there's one place that is the coldest we've ever found. It's called the Boomerang Nebula, and its temperature is almost as low as it can possibly get. This nebula is a dying star that is shooting out gas at incredibly high speeds. This rapid expansion of gas causes it to cool down to an astonishingly cold temperature of just 1 degree above absolute zero. That makes it even colder than the background warmth left over from the Big Bang, which is the natural temperature of deep space. Number 7. Scuti, the star behemoth. When we think of stars, we usually picture our own sun. But our sun is actually a dwarf compared to the giants out there. The largest known star is called Scuti. It is a colossal hypergiant star. It's so big that if you put it at the center of our solar system, its outer edge would extend all the way past the orbit of Jupiter. This means it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars whole. Scuti is so massive that nearly 5 billion suns could fit inside it. It's a true stellar monster, and it makes our own sun look like a tiny grain of sand. Number 8. Black holes are not vacuums. Many people think of a black hole as a cosmic vacuum cleaner, sucking everything up in its path. But that's not how they work. A black hole's gravity, while incredibly strong, follows the same rules as the gravity of any other object in space. The difference is just how concentrated its mass is. If you were to replace our sun with a black hole of the exact same mass, the Earth and all the other planets would continue to orbit it just as they do now. We wouldn't get sucked in. It's only when you get very, very close to a black hole that its gravity becomes so powerful it's impossible to escape. Number 9. Rogue planets, worlds without a sun. Not all planets orbit a star. There are billions of rogue planets or interstellar planets that wander through space all alone. They are not tied to any solar system. These planets were either kicked out from their home systems by the gravity of a larger planet, or they formed on their own in the darkness of deep space. They drift through the cold, dark universe without any sunlight. Scientists are very interested in these rogue planets because they challenge our ideas about how planetary systems are formed.